Welcome to YouTube Secrets Book Study. We're going to talk about the preface and the intro today. Did you know that YouTube is the most dominant social media platform? According to 2021 data, 81% of Americans use YouTube. Only 69% use Facebook. And 2.3 billion users worldwide are on YouTube, and it also covers 80 different languages. It's the second most popular search engine after Google, and Google owns YouTube and will feed it. And so it's an advantage to having the technology that Google offers. It's free and there's no financial barrier. Starting a channel. Is it too late? Or is there too much competition? YouTube Secrets addresses all of these issues. For more than half of the people on Earth use social media. And being a YouTube creator is the fastest growing type of small business. YouTube was the most visited site on the internet in 2020. 85% of all internet users in the United States watch online videos. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. And according to James McCary, 1 minute of video is equal to 1.8 million words. Videos help people connect, and they also build trust with the people who are watching them. And only you can provide people with your story and your perspective on the knowledge and the skills and the passions that you have. So it's not too late. There's still plenty of people out there to reach, and there is definitely not too much competition. There's a lot, but you're not really competing. You're just creating your niche to be able to reach the people that will respond to you and only you. So how about the earning potential, revenue, and monetization? In other words, show me the money. YouTube Secrets say regular everyday people from all walks of life are discovering the power of building influence, creating and making a massive impact on YouTube. YouTube generated $19.7 billion in 2020. And YouTube pays well. Over half of that money went to its content creators. Tens of thousands of channels earn 7 figures. Over 1 million, 6 figures, and millions of more channels make 5 figures in a year. And many earn $1,000 to over $10,000 a month. So the opportunity for generating revenue for yourself is massive. Actually, e-commerce, there's about $4 trillion of e-commerce in general. It's probably higher now because these are based on 2021 data. Okay, for the overview of the book, a partial overview, I'd say it's a revolution. Part 1 is all about strategy and talking about the 7 C's. And we'll cover that in the next video. We'll go through each of the C's. 1 C, like 1 chapter per week. Part 2 are the tactics used. And then there's an appendix that provides you tips, suggestions, and resources. And according to William Arthur Ward, opportunities are like sunrises. If you wait too long, you'll miss them. So now is the time to definitely get started on YouTube. I will be going through this book chapter by chapter and giving you just a quick overview to give you information to help you get started, or you can purchase the book yourself and go through it on your own. And maybe we'll even start a book club with it. You can let me know in the comments if you're interested in doing that. And down below, I'll put a link to how you can get a free book, and to Think Media and to Sean Cannell, and a couple of the other inspirations of the influencers that I've been using lately. All right, I hope this helps. Have a great day, and I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.